Namaskar. I welcome all my Aspiring Life YouTube channel viewers to our Aspiring Life Consultants Private Limited YouTube channel, and thank you to all the subscribers and viewers who are watching us and getting information, putting your valuable comments. I thank every one of you out there. Today my topic will be on education loan. Students' parents both are very concerned, thinking whether they will avail or get education loan if the child goes to study MBBS abroad. Yes, to this question, to this panic, my answer is yes. Students can get education loan if they even go to study abroad to any other countries for MBBS or any other course. But if I say yes, I think my answer is half. Okay, I will show you today with the proof of the students who had availed loan, and Aspiring Life Consultants also help them with documentation like whether the college is enlisted with MCI in cases of China. For Bangladesh we also provide documents like whether the colleges are enlisted with BMDC or not, and offer letter or bona fide letter, all these things Aspiring Life will help. For the personal documents, the parents and students have to provide it to the bank. We only provide you documents like offer letter or authenticity of the college, their approval with the embassy or the MCI or BMDC approval. So all these are there. All these documents Aspiring Life will provide, even the bona fide letter from the college. So let me show you few of our students who had got education loan from bank like Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, also from SBI. Their rate of interest is also quite on the lower side. This is for normal loan for all caste, religion and anything you say. There is also special loan for the minority section of the society, and for them it's called minority loan. And the minority loan is from called the West Bengal Minorities Development and Finance Corporation. It's a statutory corporation of Government of West Bengal, and the place is in very nearby in Salt Lake City, Kolkata. Our student also got minority loan, and as you can see, I don't know whether you can actually see in a proper way or not, because it's written very small letters, but to know more you can contact us. And so here the rate of interest is very lower, and for the minority section you can straight away go to these places with your documents, and again Aspiring Life will help you with the documents, and their loan starts from September or October. So after taking admission you can directly go with the offer letter and with your personal documents like your income proof, your identification cards like Aadhaar card, voter ID card, and rest of the documents Aspiring Life, as I say continuously in the video, that we are going to help you with the documentation procedures. So you can avail loan up to here. Somebody got 15 lakhs of minority loan, and in SBI and Bank of Baroda the loan sanction letter is around 18 lakhs. Some got around 22 lakhs. I would also request, if you have an account with your bank, for example SBI, PNB, UBI, your loan becomes more easy because you have a very prior good relationship with these banks. So to know more about education loan, you can always call or WhatsApp me at 9051 772900. And to know more about medical education and other procedures like bank loan or coaching on FMG, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. Till then, thank you.